Okay, here we are. 4018 4th Avenue West. Inspection approved. Okay to cover. Big tree. City moved their water meter from here to here. And at first they supposedly just ran a new line under the ground, but I didn't know how they were going to get past all the roots and rocks. And I dug 5 feet deep here, and they didn't. 5 feet wide as well underneath the ground. One root had to get cut by me as far as it goes, and now they came back and used my pit to bore through the sidewalk with their line, and yay, I air knifed a hole at an angle here because this is a retaining wall. We dropped down about 8 feet there, but I did an angle from here down into there, and then did another one down into that, which goes in. Okay, the problem with this is house, front room, foundation wall, but they dug out underneath this porch and made the foundation come out to here. Then they passed some white PVC thin wall pipe through the foundation. This water's just from the snow. Here we go. So our PEX pipe, Viga, ends right there, and we adapted over to it. So if they ever have to come dig this spot, they're gonna have to come down right here and then core through the wall, figured out. But inside it actually goes into concrete as well, and so there's no on-off valve. There's no way to even see the pipe for more than 3 inches. So someone will have to do quite a bit of work.